Hello and welcome back again in CAD with Kamal. In this tutorial we will learn how we can design this metal door in SolidWorks Weldment feature. We will learn about trim and extend tool, how we can customize material profile as per our requirement. If you are learning CAD, this tutorial will help you to increase your CAD skills. So don't waste any time. Let's start today's exercise. So I'll stop animation this here. Cut it. Select the new option, select part, OK. I select front plane, sketch, I'll draw a center rectangle and the dimension is 1000 by 2200. I select the line again, I draw a horizontal line. The distance is 220 mm. Use linear pattern. Select x-axis, select this line. Entities pattern, select this. Distance 220. 9 and I select 220 here. OK. Select line. I'll draw two vertical line here. Distance OK. Select line again. I draw three vertical line. Distance make sure line is vertical. Use linear pattern. I select this direction 1. Entities to pattern. I select this line and this line. Space 420, 440, 5. OK. Again come linear pattern. I select axis this direction 1. Number of entities. I select this. OK. So our sketch is fully defined and complete. So let's exit here. Come to the structure member. I select here rectangular tube size 50 by 30, 2.6 thickness, and I select this line first. Now I need to change the direction of this square tube angle. So I select here 90 degree, and for locate profile I select this vertex point. Again create new group, select this line, change the angle, locate profile, I select this edge. New group, new group, select this midline. Locate profile, I think is it already in center, no need to change, simply OK. I use trim tool here. use this end meter and select this tube, and trimming boundary, select this. It will be cut in 45 angle. Okay. It is already cut with parallel with this face. So come to the structure member again. First see this how we can modify this rectangular tube as per our requirement. So let's click here this arrow and select sketch, edit sketch. So from the structure member this tube dimension is 50 by 30, but I need 50 by 25. So I select this 30, double click and make it 25. This thickness I need 2 mm and this radius I need 4. Okay, simply exit. Now this whole boundary rectangular tube is 50 by 25 in this group. Select structure member again. Now this time I need square tube. So I select square tube, size 20 by 20, new group, I select this line. It is already in center, no need to select locate profile, simply okay. First I change this profile, edit sketch, double click and make it 25. Thickness 2 mm and radius is 4 already. Exit here. Now come to the trim tool. Select this and for trimming boundary select these two lines, two rectangular tubes. Okay. You can select multiple line in one group also. Okay, this all line cut. Now I select structure member, square tube, new group, I select this line, two lines. Profile in center, no need to change. Exit. Let's edit, this is profile sketch. Make it 25. Okay. Select trim and trim. Select these two tubes and for boundary select this. Okay. See this, when I select this bodies to be trimmed, it will be extend. So uncheck this option, allow extension and select this tube here. Okay. Come in structure member, new group, select this all lines. Locate profile is already in center, no need to change the location, simply OK. Come in trim and extend tool, and the bodies to be trimmed, select these tubes. First we edit this profile sketch, make it 25. OK. Now trim tool and select these tubes. Trimming boundary, select these tubes. Uncheck allow extension. OK. Let's hide this sketch. Apply some appearance for color. So this is it for today exercise. You see how we can